Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original, back with another one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over Distrokid. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now today on my channel, I was on Distrokid, right? I always check all of the different music distribution platforms I'm a part of, even if I don't have music still on them. Like Distrokid, I haven't had music on here in a while, but Distrokid is still paying me out, man. When I logged onto my Distrokid account this morning, I saw the withdraw earnings button again. So when we stroll down, right, you will see Distrokid owes me another $120, man. Now, I made a video, right, recently. It was like in March, where I said Distrokid had got me for $1,000, and I thought Distrokid played me out of $1,000 because I earned $1,000 extra within their referral program, right? If you don't know, Distrokid has a referral program, right? And let me show you. Distrokid has a referral program where you make $10 every time somebody sign up. And if you look under just about every video I create, right, you will see a Distrokid link. So far I got over 9,000 clicks, 228 signups, and $1,200 paid out. But at $10 per sign up, right, what I should have is, let's do the math, basically 2,200, but times 10, you will see, right, we got $2,200, $2,280 is what's gonna get paid out to me because I have 228 signups. But the way Distrokid works is it takes about 3 months, right? It takes about 3 months, and then you'll be able to get the earnings from the referral program. They have to clear, and you have to be a member of Distrokid for like 3 months, and then you get paid out. So that's how the referral program works, and they still paying me out. I'm about to go ahead and withdraw my earnings just so y'all can see. So withdrawal initiated. It take about 1 to 14 days for the payment to show up, and we'll get paid, from Distrokid. So yeah, I'm just letting y'all know Distrokid is still paying me out. No matter what, they gonna pay your boy. So yeah, y'all see they owe me $120. So I just wanted to make this quick video for y'all, just to let y'all know about Distrokid affiliate program. Make sure you leave a like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. I'm out. Peace.